Parents, want to help your child become a better reader and actually enjoy it? Let's explore a fun and powerful comprehension strategy called visualization, where stories come alive in your child's imagination. Join me, Hootie, and Skippy as we bring reading to life.
Hootie, what are you reading now?
Ho, ho, ho. I'm learning how to read better, Skippy. These are reading strategies that help us understand what we read.
Tell me. What's the first one?
It's called visualizing. That means when we read, we picture the scene in our minds, like a mini movie.
Oh, like popcorn movie?
Ho, ho, ho. No. Close your eyes and imagine what I read. The haunted forest was so dark, even the trees looked scared. Their twisted branches trembled in the cold wind, creaking like ancient bones. Shadows danced between the trunks, and the moonlight barely dared to enter.
Yes! I see spooky trees and glowing eyes, and maybe even a ghost.
That's visualizing. It makes reading fun and magical.
This is just one of many powerful strategies to build a joyful, confident reader. Don't miss the next episode, where we explore another magical reading skill. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you never miss a sprinkle of reading magic.